Hello children, let's learn to read long sound E. Sometimes we need to add another letter somewhere in the word, like words with E sound, as in need or green. For example, seed, with, feed, did, tin, sin, bin, kin. Words with E sound as in steer or ship. Deer, peer, seer, beer, dip, whip, bip, kip. Words with E sound as in sweet or lick. Fit, bit, mit, tit, wick, mick, pick, sick. Words with E sound as in lich or spear. Ditch, rich, bitch, itch, year, here, dear, ear. Words with E sound as in squeak or cream. Bick, pick, lick, wick, tim, bim, rim, dream. Words end in letter Y sound as E, as in happy. Lady, family, duty, body, baby, army, copy, berry. Good job, children!